Hi DIYers, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hannah and today you're watching Hannadailylife DIY. I want to share with you guys how I created a backdrop stand using some PVC pipes. This backdrop, you guys, cost me less than $15. So if you guys are looking for a budget-friendly backdrop stand to use at a celebratory event, then this video is for you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're not done so. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. So the listings will be in the description box so you can see exactly what you would need as far as the amount of PVC pipings. But here is a quick listing of the things that you will need to complete this DIY. Okay, so now we're going to put our pieces together. So we're going to first take our 36-inch pipe and one of our T's, and we're going to just pop it on like this, and you want to make sure that it is on there flush and tight as possible, and it should look like this, okay, like an upside down T or whatnot. And we're going to do that for another 36-inch pipe and another T, so that we have two of them. So here's the second. So now we have two, as you can see. So now we're going to take a 1 foot pipe, which is a 12-inch, and we're going to just pop it in here. Hold on. And we're going to do the same thing for the other side with another one. Okay. So you want it to look like this. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing for the other. Okay, so now that we have this contraption, we're going to take an elbow, and you want it to be down like this. You want to make sure it's the side where it sits down, and we're going to put that right on the end like that, because this is what's going to help your stand up. And we're going to put that on this side like that. Okay, and we're going to do the same for the other one. And pop that on like that. And pop one on here. Like that. Okay. So they should now stand together like this. Okay, so now you want to take your other T on the stand like this, and you want to place it on here, but you want to make sure that this opening is facing in the middle, okay? And repeat for the other stand. Okay. So you want to make sure that they're facing each other like so. So now you want to take your 60-inch piping and place it right in the middle of here. So if you're short like me, another way to do this DIY is you could go ahead and place it here, but I'm gonna have an issue with reaching. So before I do that, I want to go ahead and assemble the top portion before I connect it here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take one of my 36 inches and an elbow. Place it on here. I want it to face this way. And then I'm going to get my other one. And I am going to place it like this as well, okay? So now you have them looking like this. Now you want to take your last PVC pipe, and you want to place it on here, okay? And place that one right in there, like so. Okay, and then you want to place them right down in here. Now this is great, a great way to do it if you're short and you don't want to stand on a chair or something. You want to make sure it's in there tight. Okay, so this is your backdrop stand for under $15, you guys. Now, it's no fun just sharing with you how to do a backdrop, so I'm just going to throw some drapes on here just so you guys can get an idea of what it looks semi-completed, okay? So let's do that. Okay guys, so this is how your backdrop should look. I put some drapes on it. I just wanted you guys to see how it looked with some drapes on it. I got them pushed to the side so you can still see the frame of the backdrop. You can, if you want to, paint your frame, you know, or whatever. I didn't really wipe it off or anything, but you can paint it for a more professional look. But yeah, pretty much you guys, this is a budget friendly option for a backdrop for an event, and you can also break it apart and transport it a lot more easier than most of the more high price backdrops that they sell online. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.